10-year-old boy taken before attorneys say he was starved to death in a foster home in Detroit.
The death of this child is now the subject of a $30 million lawsuit.
Yeah, what happened to that little boy who had serious health challenges, including cerebral palsy, quadriplegia, and epilepsy? Local 4's Mara McDonald is live in Farmington Hills right now to tell us about this. And Mara, this is a heart-wrenching story.
Ruth, this was 10-year-old Johnny Dragomir. This picture was taken before he went into foster care. They estimate he weighed about 90 pounds when this was taken. A year after this was taken, he was dead, weighing 49 pounds. Attorneys say he was clearly starved to death.
Just hurt, angry. I want some justice.
Elena Andron felt she had no choice 2 years ago. She'd lost her job and had no hope of taking care of her son, 10-year-old Johnny Dragomir. Johnny had cerebral palsy and spastic quadriplegia. So Andron turned to the state. She never gave up her parental rights, but Johnny became a temporary ward of the state and placed in the Monroe Foster Home in Detroit.
My calculations is for dang near 180 days, they didn't feed Johnny. And then when they were interviewed, they backtracked and they double-talked and tried to cover their tracks.
Andron said she complained that her son was not being fed and the home barred her entry. It took a year for the 10-year-old to lose about half of his body weight and ultimately die. The ME's report says he died from malnutrition. No criminal charges were ever filed against the foster home.
The facts in this case are crystal clear. Johnny starved to death. And this is a shame because you have a responsible mother